Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kasa to create smart plug schedules. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Kasa Smart app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Input your email address and choose a secure password. Confirm your password and tap Next. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Kasa Smart app and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. To add a smart plug, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Smart Plug from the list of device types. Follow the prompts to connect the smart plug to your Wi-Fi network. Plug in your Kasa Smart Plug and ensure it is powered on. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on the app. Now, tap on your newly added smart plug to open its settings. To create a schedule, find and select the Schedule option. Tap on Add Schedule to set a new schedule. Choose the days of the week you want the plug to operate. Select the desired time for the plug to turn on and off. Review your settings and tap Save to activate the schedule. Your smart plug is now scheduled to operate automatically as per your settings. You can return to the schedule settings at any time to make adjustments. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy your smart plug scheduling features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.